Hey Robin, Mrs. Renfro here. I just wanted to quickly kind of give you a walkthrough Bright Thinker again so you can see exactly what Laramie is doing. Um, I logged in as him, so I'm in the Observer app. This is what he sees whenever he logs into Bright Thinker. And so he's got his language arts, math, science, and social studies. Here you'll see his to-do list, which he still has quite a few things that are behind. It's February 14th, and he's got several things from December and January that he needs to submit. One cool thing that I figured out today is you can look at the activity stream, so you can see exactly what Laramie has been doing every day, things that he's submitted, even tests that he's completed. So it doesn't look like he's done any work, in the past couple of weeks. So I just wanted to give you a heads up, let you know this is something that you can utilize. Have him log in to Clever on your computer that you take to work. And then you can just click on Bright Thinker and you can see what exactly he is doing at home if he's not at the shop with you. So let me know if you have any questions about this. This to-do list is really helpful. And if he wants to see it per subject, you can click on the actual subject and go to the to-do list. Whoops. Go to the to-do list for that particular subject. Still pretty behind pace here. So I would love to help. I'm not really sure where the breakdown is in the communication. I've showed him this to-do list several times, and I'm not sure how else I can help. I can sign him up for a daily study hall like I did today for his formatives. Let me know what you think. All right, thank you.